Want to create stunning AI-generated images for free? Meet Pulid For Flux, an incredible AI image generator that transforms any photo into a masterpiece. Let's check it out. To access Pulid For Flux, first, go to huggingface.co, sign up if you haven't already, and head over to Spaces, Image Generation. Search for Pulid For Flux, and open the tool. Now let's upload an image and start creating. For this example, I'm using a woman's photo, and in the prompt box, I'll type a woman holding a sign with glowing green text saying, "Please subscribe." You can tweak other settings if you understand them, but if you're new, just leave them as they are. Now just hit generate and wait a few seconds while Pulid For Flux finds an available GPU. After acquiring a GPU, it starts its process, and in about 40 seconds, we get a high-quality AI-generated image. Whoa, that glow is next level. Insane detail. Looks so real. Feels like an AI-powered art studio. Now let's move on to our next example. This time, I'll turn an ordinary person into Superman. I uploaded a photo and typed a portrait of a man as Superman. Highly detailed. Click generate and there it is. An epic transformation into Superman. Now you have the power to cosplay without cosplaying. Go on, transform your own photo or your friend's photo into an action hero. But wait, there is something better in my mind. For the next image, I want to create a powerful, muscular portrait. I hate going to the gym. I have wasted my last gym membership. But now, with the power of this tool in my hands, I will upload a new photo and write, a muscular man, ultra detailed, cinematic lighting. A quick click on generate, and boom, a striking muscular physique. My God, only if my New Year's resolution could do wonders like this. But still, I can make a Tinder account with these photos. So, Pulid For Flux makes image generation simple and free. Just sign up, upload a photo, enter a creative prompt, and let AI do the rest. If you want more images, you can either create a new account or upgrade to a subscription. Try it out today and let your creativity flow. Subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials.